Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted, 5-year bid up north when they ratted. Anyway, I felt them, helped them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm Mama D in the outer. I call him Tabby like doubters. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then lick it out with his fingers. I'm in the zone.
That's they high school. Get in my groove, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want, do it whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Anywhere, everywhere. Baby, it's your world. Ain't it?
Alright.
Baby, it's your world.
She got a nigga at home and one on the side. Best friend is a dyke, they fucked around a few times, her and her mama alike. So all they do is fight. I tell her make me some money, she tell me make me a wife. I tell that bitch you crazy, fuck wrong with you. And excuse my French, but I'm a lone kisser. And then she try to tell me I'm the only one that's hitting. And I say what about them niggas? She say what about them niggas? You right, what you doing tonight? Put on something tight, don't judge me, I get life. She love me like a brother, but fuck me like a husband. Pussy like an oven, too hot to put my tongue in. All I had to do was rub it, the genie out the bottle. Pussy so wet, I'ma need goggles. She tell me that it's mine, I tell her stop lying. Mine and who else? She said worry about yourself, little tongue.
But it's you.